Make money online with paid surveys review. Let me help you to find out the truth about make money with paid surveys and guide you in the right direction to make money online. Also, let me be completely transparent with you. I am not associated with make money with paid surveys in any form. So rest assured, I'm not here to pitch or sell anything to you. Make money with paid surveys review. App name Make money with paid surveys. Available on Android. Requires Android 5 and up. Installs 5,000 plus. Size 5.2 M. Price free. Recommended. Yes. What is Make Money with Paid Surveys all about? Make Money with Paid Surveys is an app which is available on Google Play Store. It means only for Android users. Basically, it's a survey app which pays you for answering some simple and fun survey questions. It's so simple and easy that you can use it anywhere. The surveys are used to prove products and marketing. But if you search a bit on the internet, you'll find not so good reviews. Then how is it getting 5-star rating of more than 84,805 people? Even Google's own app has not got a 5-star rating. Simple. Just because make money with paid surveys, paying people a leave at 5-star rating. But if you read the reviews, you find that many users have complained even about not getting paid on time. How to join Make Money with Paid Surveys. To download Make Money with Paid Surveys, visit Play Store and search for the app and download it to your device. You need to create an account. Once you fill in the information about you should get surveys. Surveys are very simple and fun questions. How much money can you make playing app game? The basic concept here is the more time you spend, the more money you can make by taking part in these activities. But honestly, I doubt whether you earn anything on this platform because as I mentioned earlier, I do not understand why it continues to call it Ganassi in the description. I've spent some time digging through all the layers to get into the heart of the system and discover if it's just another scam or there's a possibility that the system works. The pros: make money with paid surveys is 100% free. Easy to make money answering some simple and fun questions. Cons: you require a good internet connection, fake 5-star reviews, not clear how to withdraw your earnings. So, can you really make money through Google Apps? I would say yes, you can, though it's not a substantial amount. But I would not recommend make money with paid service because it has many red flags, which one should not ignore. It's important to remember that make money with paid service work better for the US and UK residents, and other countries may find it difficult to make a good amount of money with this game. I've reviewed some similar products here. App Station Review 2020 and the rest. Is make money with paid surveys a scam? Make money with paid surveys is not a scam, but it has many red flags that you should not ignore. Many members have already complained about its fixed 5-star ratings and non-payments. PlayStation apps are a fun way to make some extra bucks. They are not meant to earn you hundreds of dollars, so do not expect to earn a substantial income from them. If you are really interested in making a substantial income, there are many ways you can invest your time in a much better way. By playing these games for 3 hours, you can make at most $5. But if you invest these 3 hours in building your own online business, you can earn hundreds of dollars over time. Rather than wasting your time on another system that does not deliver, why not take a look at my number one recommendation below: free training on affiliate marketing. It's the platform where I'm working for the last few years and learned about online marketing. But if you want to earn legitimate money, you can commit you need to commit to this program. Legitimate opportunities require legitimate effort. Making money online is much like other businesses which requires hard work, patience, and persistence. The people who fail online is because of their wrong mindsets. People who do not want to work hard or they want to put in little or no effort to get the results. The business model, which I highly recommend, is not a get rich quick scheme. You need to work hard and consistently. This is the method which has succeeded in the past and you'll be successful in the future years also. It's also a time proven method. Why am I so sure about this program? I like to recommend my viewers this program or product which will add value to their life, and I am sure you will thank me for introducing this program to you. Is it free to join? The most important thing is that it's free to join. You don't need to pay a single dime while joining. And I would also like you to go through the starter membership, see whether this program is for you. Take advantage of starter membership if it suits you. Go premium. The support is amazing. When you're building an online business, sometimes it's lonely. You need encouragement and support from others. This platform has an inbuilt support system in the form of an amazing community of more than 1.5k plus members, live chat, PM, blog is some of the ways to communicate and get support from the community. Beginner friendly. When I joined this platform, I was totally unaware of the technical stuff and had very little to no experience working online. But the platform is for anyone who wants to build an online business, one-stop destination for becoming successful online. Most of the tools and trainings which one needs to be successful are available on the platform, so you don't need to go elsewhere for any further additional services. You can easily build and prosper your online businesses under one roof. Legitimacy. The platform teaches you the most popular earning method of online marketing, that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very legit and sure way of earning money online, but the success depends entirely on you. The success is proportionately related to the hard work you put in your work. Lastly, I've personally been with the platform. I personally working on this platform for the last few years, and I'm really lucky to find this platform. It's one of the most advanced platforms online, and most importantly, the environment within the community is very helping, caring, and very much encouraging. Since it's free to join, I highly recommend you check out this program. I hope the review on Make Money with Paid Service has helped you to make an informed decision. Don't hesitate to share it with whoever you believe will benefit from it. If there's something else you want to know or you have questions, please feel free to leave comments down below and I will reply to each and every one of them as soon as possible. Whatever you do next, I wish you nothing but the best. Thank you for staying with us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time we post. Thank you.